Hi, this is Casey Fortune at Fortune Realty, and welcome to Gold Hill Mesa. Gold Hill Mesa is located on the west side of Colorado Springs, where everybody wants to live, and just 3 miles from downtown. Before we jump into the neighborhood, let's talk about some of the surrounding area. Gold Hill Mesa Park is just across the street. Bear Creek Dog Park is just down the road. Garden of the Gods is just a few miles away, and one of my favorite spots, Red Rock Canyon Open Space. You will also find several trailheads if you head up Gold Camp Road, which is also just right across the street. Homes here range from patio homes to townhomes and even single-family homes with large basements. The subdivision is managed by an HOA, and I won't get into those costs too much just because they vary quite a bit depending on if you're in a townhome or a single-family home. They have done a really good job of implementing architectural diversity with both color and style. You can find colonial, farmhouse, contemporary, craftsman, European, and even Victoria-style homes all throughout the subdivision. The community center right behind me is a pretty big benefit too. This is something that's very unique to the subdivision, and it's pretty huge. They have spas, you can get your hair done, you pick up your mail right inside. There's also a fitness facility. It's not like a Gold's Gym, but it is pretty good for this size community. This subdivision has a really big sense of community. They have several reasons to get you out of your home. Definitely walking paths. I never come here without seeing a lot of people walking dogs is really common. They have concert series just behind me in the summertime. They have community garage sales, a 4th of July bash, and several opportunities to celebrate holidays. Now, state geologists did have some concerns when this neighborhood was first being developed because some of it was built on old mine tailings. Here's a clip from our local news.
The developer of the Gold Hill Mesa neighborhood on the Springs West Side after questions were raised about the safety and stability of the soil that those homes are built on.
Gold Hill Mesa officials say work is being done to educate residents on the development process as they look to build more homes on the site. Investigative reporter Patrick Nelson joining us now with more on what they have to say. Patrick.
Elizabeth and Rob, Gold Hill Mesa officials say the build out of the rest of their available property continues to move forward with direction of consultants and experts using the best technology and methods to develop the land. Still, state geologists are seeking more testing and information because they have questions about the soil and its long-term stability. The Gold Hill Mesa neighborhood is on the west side, not too far from downtown. Developers say they are moving forward with plans to build more homes. The development sits on a hill of mill tailings from a former gold mine that was capped to prevent contamination from minerals and chemicals. For years, state geologists have had concerns about the soil, wanting to learn more about its long-term stability. In a press release sent to News 5 this afternoon, Stephanie Edwards, vice president and developer representative for Gold Hill Mesa, is quoted saying, "We welcome and encourage oversight. The project has always been under multiple layers of review and accountability at the state and local level and by multiple licensed technical experts. Given its unique history, careful attention has been given to both the aesthetic appeal and functional performance of the community, as well as to the environmental safety and stability of the site, given its unique history."
The subdivision doesn't try to hide this at all. In fact, here's a great timeline that is on the subdivision website that does a great job of explaining it. Features from turn-of-the-century neighborhoods have inspired Gold Hill Mesa. But in this neighborhood, you get to enjoy all of that character, but also with modern-day performance, efficiency, and technology. It is just about impossible to live somewhere in this subdivision where you don't have a mountain view right outside of your doorstep. you would like even more information about this fantastic community, please feel free to reach out, and thanks so much for watching.